yung persons of interest na nadala natin dito sa LTPO ay nasa isang compound po sila, nasa isang compound. Kaya kami po ay nakipagtulungan doon sa possible witnesses natin na makapagturo kung saan yung exact location. At base sa initial investigations natin, ay merong isang Black Montero na sa di kalayuan na naka-standby doon sa particular area. And then during sa nagkaroon ng shooting incident ay pumasok po ito, dahan-dahan na nag-move going towards doon sa kung saan natin siya na kuha. Pero it appears na doon sa ginawa nating investigasyon na ang possible na pinanggalingan ng volley of fire is doon po sa harapan, hindi po doon sa initial na report na doon sa Kisami. Kaya kung nakita nyo doon sa mga video, parang ginaganon yung sinusundot yung Kisami because yun yung initial na report sa atin. By PNP policy, we cannot divulge the specific name. However, what I can give is yung rank po nila. So, yung una po is yung pinaka-senior is police colonel, and then followed by one lieutenant colonel, and then one police staff sergeant, 3 corporals, and 1 patrolwoman.
Hello po. Colonel Espinosa is also saying na aside from the 7 policemen, meron pa daw po 3 others. And yung 3 daw po naka-escape.
That is his version, no? Because based on our investigation, is yun lang po yung pito na na-custody namin. But other than no other person. Yung sinasabi ko po is negative sila sa paraffin test. However, doon sa gunpowder residue, doon sa mga yung sa 15 na barrel o 14 na barrels, ay lahat po yun ay positive. So ibig sabihin yung 14 na firearms na yun is naiputok po. Pero it doesn't mean na naiputok doon during sa that incident. I think crime lab can elaborate with regards to gunpowder residue examination.
Yes, to just explain what Sir Apas has mentioned, all of the firearms that were submitted was positive for gunpowder residue. So it's probable that they were fired. But the limitation of this examination kasi, it will not point from what incident that firearm was fired. So hindi din natin pwedeng sabihin na from that specific incident kaya siya nag-positive sa gunpowder residue kasi pinutok siya on that incident. Kasi hindi siya masasabi with the positive finding of the GPR examination.
Follow up po. As of this particular time po, ano na po ang nasa po sila or ano po ginagawa po nila ngayon?
Exactly, admittedly, I'm not privy what they are particular doing right now. But what we are aware is that nasa restricted custody po sila sa region. Ibig sabihin, hindi po yan sila basta-basta makaalis doon sa within the compound of Police Regional Office.